this is about iWipnan. So I came to know about iWipnan from a colleague of mine. She recommended me about iWipnan. If you want to go into the digital marketing, go with iWipnan. And initially I don't know about iWipnan and about Bhautik sir. He is a lecturer in so many guest lecturer in so many universities. So when I came here, I met with Manisha ma'am. I joined here. I felt it was a good course. After joining the course, I came to know what are the digital marketing is all about. Most of the things people brag over the social media about digital marketing, this and that. But Bhautik sir taught me digital marketing starts from the basics, and marketing is also an art which you have to incorporate in your day-to-day life. His approach, his training style is different from you can say other companies or other training institutes, but it is very effective. And if I can say that I know digital marketing, this is because of iWipnan and Bhautik sir. Of course, he helped me a lot. And while going through the training program, the module was very well listed. Everything was connected, just like connecting the dots. So you are following a particular path, and it was good. And about Bhautik sir, yeah, you can ask whatever you want to ask. He is such a free person. And we definitely had our lighter moments during the class. But yeah, he is too good in this. And I can say, even in future, I know the digital marketing, or I am upgraded with the latest technologies and everything. Its credit goes to Bhautik sir.